2025. Straight off the roost, baby. Jake. That's a long beard. Beautiful. Hey, you had to pick the camera up.
I didn't know if he was coming.
You hear me?
Hey, there's the Jake right here.
Hey, I had to pick the camera up, man. And like I said, he got in this brush here. He got a little thick. Hey, that worked out perfect, didn't it? Give me some, baby.
I didn't think he was coming. I thought he was going to turn and go the other way.
Yeah, no, I told you, give him a minute, get fired up. Hey, I told you, when that bird hit the ground, I honestly think that was the Jake.
Yeah, it was.
Because I looked flying down, I didn't see no beard. But then for a second there, I thought I saw a beard. But no, as soon as they seen it, they came, baby.
I seen him chasing that Jake. He started chasing that Jake.
Now I'm sitting here trying to work, hey, I'm trying to work this camera. And this freaking camera is struggling with this vine, right?
Yeah, what a sweetheart.
Yeah, no, the camera's struggling. I had to pick the camera up and everything before you shot. Hey, I got a strutter in there, or a half strut. Was he strut when you shot him?
Yeah, he was
Nice.
strutting right there. He was strutting.
Nice.
Yeah. He was about to beat the decoy. I was like, man, I better hurry up and shoot him before he hits it and takes off running.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I told you the dominant bird was back there in the corner. Hey, look, guys. This is what we had to come set up in. We had to get here about an hour early, and like I said, it's all field. So we had to come set up in this little brush pile right here. I had to cut some brush late last night. Hey, we had to do a little dragging this morning.
He ain't flop much, did he?
No. I wouldn't say so.
And once you seen this setup, boy, he come running. That old turkey, man.
Oh yeah. Work that wanted, baby.
Oh yeah. Good old hunt. Finally on the maps, baby. Woo! Early morning, straight off the roof. Good old bird, baby. Good morning. Finally on the maps.
All right, what do you say? Let's get this thing brushed down and get to work.
Brush it out and get out of here.
10-4. Hell yeah, man.
Dude, did you see him struck right there? I always wanted to shoot a bird and struck.
Well, you did now.
I know.
Just got to the country store. We're gonna get us a biscuit and a drink. We're gonna go watch Blake play some baseball. But I haven't seen or heard from Sleepmaster 3000 this morning. You?
Nah, I think he's probably asleep by a tree somewhere.
I don't know. Oh, Sleepmaster 3000, where you at?